Hi, and welcome back to our MCP Server series. Today, we'll look at how to extend the MCP Server code to add your own prompt. The first step is to clone the repo and then to open it in your IDE of choice. In this case, we've opened it in PyCharm. The code is fairly simple and small. It's around 200 lines. The important parts are the decorators. There are three important decorators: the at resource, at tool, and at prompt. For this tutorial, we are going to see how to add a new prompt to the MCP server. This prompt is going to tell our MCP client, which is Claude Code or GitHub Copilot, on how to write a Python application and how to interface with KurrentDB. If you're interested in the code, you can find it in the branch build underscore application on GitHub. If you look at the code, you will see that we cover a tool called sequential thinking. This tool is optional, but it helps to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable ones for the client. When you go back in Claude, you will see that you can now explicitly call the prompt that we've just built. But not only that, instead of providing it with a prompt, we are going to provide it with a diagram on what application to build. You will see that sequential thinking is called at the start, and this is where Claude will plan what needs to be done. And that's actually it. You just need to sit back, relax, and wait for the code to get generated. We hope that you've enjoyed this demo and we can't wait to see what you build with our MCP server. Thanks.